So in today's video, I'm going to do a combining drinks. So I've been using turmeric, and I really like turmeric. So I'm going to combine ginger ale with turmeric, and then Dr. Pepper from McDonald's with turmeric, and then these two together, ginger ale and Dr. Pepper. So let me start with the ginger, because ginger and turmeric go well together. So I'll start with the ginger ale. And I like a lot of turmeric, but I won't use that much. I don't measure it. I just put in as much as I think I need. You know, it still tastes like ginger ale. I don't taste the turmeric, but the turmeric gives it like a different aftertaste. So this is regular ginger ale. This is caffeine free, regular ginger ale. But aftertaste with the turmeric makes it taste like diet. So if you like diet things, this tastes like a diet drink. Okay, you know, I don't like it that much because it does taste like a diet, and I don't like diet drinks. Okay, now let's see Dr. Pepper and turmeric. That's not bad, but it does taste like a diet drink. No, no, I don't like soda and turmeric. Now I like turmeric with tea and hot ginger tea out of ginger. That tastes good, but with soda, not good. Okay, so let's see ginger ale and Dr. Pepper. And I'm not measuring how much I put of each. I'm just putting in enough to make it taste like it's combined. So just how it would taste if you put them together. That's not bad. You taste the Dr. Pepper more than the ginger ale, but it's not bad. Okay, now I'll finish by adding some turmeric to the ginger ale and Dr. Pepper. It tastes like a diet drink. So in combining drinks, when you put turmeric with soda, it tastes like a diet soda, and I don't like it. But combining Dr. Pepper and ginger ale isn't bad, but don't add turmeric. Thank you for watching.